Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be using some small silicone spatulas. They're quite flexible. I want to use the edges of them to just do some mark making and just two different styles of them. I'll link these down below. I really like these. I use these a lot with texture paste, and it works really well for smoothing things out or creating some designs. So I'm just going to use my gold paint on these, and you can just have a cloth or some paper towels and just wipe them off when you're all done. But I'm gonna just get some paint right on the edge of there. And how do I want, so I can tell my wording goes this way, but I also like the way that it looks having the dark green on this side. I don't know, I'm gonna do it this way. So I'm just gonna start, I kind of want to do some like that chevron pattern a little bit, but let's just see how, just stamping it, okay, create a little diamond pattern. That could be interesting. I might also just swipe some paint on here and see if I can use this. Okay, so I can also use the tip as almost like a paintbrush. So I'm going to do that. Ooh, one of the things that I like, because it's so flexible, you can take it and create maybe some leaf shapes. Just move it and do some little rectangles. So I used the brayer on this background, and the gold is picking up that texture underneath that the brayer created, and so I really like that. So I might actually just use this and try and get that gold to pick up some of that texture underneath and just smooth it out. Oh wow, okay. So that went a little bit differently than I thought I was going to with making some patterns, but I really like, I'll get a close-up of this. The brayer texture, if you go really gently over it, you can get that gold to just highlight that texture. Ooh, I'm going to do more of that on this page. Okay. So there we go. That's going to look really awesome. And you don't have to fill up the whole page. You could just do a few areas. And it almost looks like veins of a leaf. But yeah, I will get a close-up picture of that. That looks really awesome. Try and do a little bit more on this one, just gently. See which one would I like to do. I think this one I'm going to use the tip of it, and let's see if we can do, I mean, you could Just use it as a pen and create some really organic circles and other shapes. I love how flexible these are. They're so easy to work with and just do some really fun things. Again, not making my circles perfect, but using that flexibility of that spatula to just make some fun patterns. Ooh. Okay. All right, wow, that gold on a white or black background would also just be gorgeous, but I'm gonna set this one aside. I'm gonna do one more, and I think with this one, I'm just gonna do some lines so that let's see if I can get that mixed up a little bit. So I'm just gonna go okay. Ooh, just these repeat patterns are something that I really like to make, but that one looks good. I'm loving the areas where I really picked up that texture of the paint underneath in this one. And then just some really basic lines in this, but all sorts of ways you can use your little silicone spatulas to make some super fun designs. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching today.